In this video, we'll explore Meta's latest AI model, Llama 2, developed in collaboration with Microsoft. Llama 2 is the newest addition to Meta's language models, boasting remarkable improvements over its predecessor. In this video, I'll show you how to access and utilize Meta's powerful AI model. Before we dive in, let's understand what is Llama 2 AI model from Meta. This AI model has been trained on 40% more data and offers double the context length compared to its previous version. Additionally, it's available in various model weights ranging from 7B to 70B parameters. Llama 2 has outperformed many competitors in external benchmarks, demonstrating its prowess in reasoning, coding tests, and more. Currently, Llama 2 is accessible through Amazon Web Services and Hugging Face. And for this video, we'll be using the latter. First, head to the official Hugging Face Llama 2 demo website and scroll down to find the demo page. And here, click on this space link under Demo to access the main chat box. Now, you can start interacting with Meta's Llama 2 chatbot. Simply enter your query in the chat box and click the Submit button to get answers. While the AI formulates its response, you may experience a slight delay as it's still improving its speed. During our testing, Llama 2 proved to be a versatile AI model. It can hold conversations and even generate code for you. Although it can't access the internet directly, you can provide it with links to summarize content or discuss related topics. While the output may not be perfect, it's undoubtedly a promising addition to the AI landscape. As it continues to evolve, it could pose serious competition to other language models like ChatGPT and Brad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested in the fascinating world of AI.